Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell to get more healthy recipes. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming back. Let's go ahead to make this easy and healthy green juice together. In today's green juice recipe, we will need 2 cucumbers, 2 pears, ginger. I need just 2 round slices of this ginger roots, 1 lime, mint leaves. There are about 20 stalks. This is 1 stalk and this is another. These are 3. So there are 20 stalks in all. The next thing is to chop everything into small bits that will be easy for the blender to crush and blend. Let's talk about some of the nutritional constituents of these fruits and veggies. Mint leaves aids digestion. It has phosphorus, calcium, and vitamin C, D, E, and A. Mint leaves boost the immune system. Pears contain iron, calcium, and magnesium. They also contain vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, vitamin E, vitamin K, and of course vitamin C. Cucumbers are associated with weight loss. They are low in calories and are rich in minerals and vitamins. Ginger boosts immunity. It aids digestion, reduces or relieves nausea. In a previous video, I made a green juice recipe that is also highly nutritious. You can check it out. The link to the video will be in the description. Kindly click the link for your healthy consumption. You can blend in batches or blend everything at once depending on the size and capacity of your blender. I really didn't want to add any water at all, but I had to. This is just to help the blender. So I will advise you put the water that is enough to give you a perfect blend. After blending, pour into a strainer to get the juice. You can use a spatula or spoon to help with the straining, just so you can get as much juice as possible. Cut the lime into 2 halves and squeeze out the lime juice one after the other. Limes are rich in vitamin C and are a good source of antioxidants. They reduce the risk of heart diseases. Don't forget I added ginger to this recipe. As for me, once I incorporate ginger into my drinks, smoothies or juices, it makes it easier to consume without feeling nauseous, especially if I'm trying it for the first time. Our green juice is ready. Thanks for doing this with me today. Try it at home and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.